Kitty Cat, if you do,
Surprisingly nice.
Ray is a real nice guy. But when he's in the robot box, he turns into a demon. Just like these two robots are ready to beat one another to bits for your entertainment. In the blue square, we have Other Disco. Other Disco, are you ready? He hit the button, he must be ready. And in the red square, we have the cute, nice, unoffensive Kitty Cat. Are you ready, Kitty Cat? He's right, ready, meow. In 3 minutes you have. Fight, robots, fight. Oh, Moses. Kitty Cat Disco with a huge initial fight hit. Oh my goodness. Kitty Cat showing no mercy to Disco, hitting him while he's down. However, his blade has stopped spinning. Disco desperately trying to right himself. Oh no, there's the belt on Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat's weapon is disabled. However, Disco cannot right himself. It is reduced to trying to chase Kitty Cat around. Oh my goodness, there's a racing stripe down the floor right into the wall. Disco, oh my God, oh no, oh no. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Your winner by, I will say, lucky knockout, Kitty Cat.